Let's start. We select the entire table or the columns of interest that will be included in the pivot table. We decided that the pivot table should be generated in a separate sheet where we will see the customers and the value of their orders. We will have a structured visual with customers in rows, and in the value column we will add the value of the orders. The column will be formatted as a number, using semicolons as separators. Inserting a pivot table to see what quantity was ordered of each product. To rows we add product, and to value the quantity column. We will move to the next sheet, where the table contains a larger number of rows, including a column dedicated to region. We will reinsert the pivot table, based on the new database or new sheet, into a separate sheet. We will insert the pivot table, in which we will analyze the value of orders placed by each customer. We can also separate them by region by adding the region column in the rows section. Thus, we centralize the value of orders for each customer, also organizing them by region. We format the cells as numbers, separated by a period or comma, as appropriate. We will keep only the customer and quantity columns in the pivot table. We will remove the rest. If it is necessary to change some data, such as ordered quantities, we make the appropriate changes. And then update the pivot table to view the new information. Click on the Data menu, then click on the Refresh button to view the new data. We can also filter data by date, thus we add the Date column to the Filters menu. And now we can filter based on the days or months that we want to view. Once you've created a pivot table, you can go even further. You can instantly turn your report into an interactive chart, with just a few clicks. The advantage? As you filter the data in the pivot table, the chart updates automatically. It's ideal for presentations and reports. You can easily play with the design. You choose the type of graphic, colors, and style that suits you best. We can also add other data to be presented, such as value. We can also change the automatic names in the pivot table and chart, so that they are clearer and easier to understand. We can filter the data directly in the pivot table, and the chart will update automatically, in real time.